Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast Howtobasic, easy method. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk with 1 cup milk until smooth. Add 1 tsp sugar, a pinch of salt, and 1 tsp vanilla extract, then stir. Dip bread slices briefly and evenly, letting excess drip off. Keep skillet at medium heat and cook until golden brown on both sides, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. In this video, I will show how to make French toast Howtobasic, easy method. Dip each slice only long enough to absorb without falling apart, then transfer gently to the preheated skillet. Add a little butter or oil and spread to coat the pan surface evenly. Cook each slice until the bottom is golden, then flip carefully and finish until both sides are evenly browned. Keep cooked slices warm on a rack or low oven while you finish the batch. In this video, I will show how to make French toast Howtobasic, easy method. Plate the warm slices and add toppings like maple syrup, berries, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. A pat of butter or a spoonful of yogurt adds richness and brightens flavors. For a special touch, toast nuts or add a drizzle of honey. Serve promptly so the toast stays crisp outside and tender inside for the best bite.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.